A growing standoff between the U.S. Supreme Court and the Trump administration. Over the weekend, a rare late-night ruling from the Supreme Court temporarily halted the deportations of people from Venezuela.
Justice Samuel Alito called the court's action unprecedented. ABC's Nicole D'Antonio has details on what happens next.
This morning, a legal standoff between the Supreme Court and the White House. The Trump administration is asking the court to reverse an order issued just after midnight Saturday that blocked the deportation of Venezuelan migrants accused of gang ties. The migrants held in Texas were targeted for deportation under the Alien Enemies Act, a wartime law from 1798 that grants broad deportation powers. Only two justices dissented, Justices Clarence Thomas and Samuel Alito, who said the late-night ruling was neither necessary or appropriate. The order followed an emergency petition from the ACLU claiming the migrants were denied a chance to fight the gang accusations.
They're unilaterally claiming that people are members of a gang, but not giving them the opportunity to go into court and show they're not.
Earlier this month, in a separate 5-4 decision, the court allowed the administration to use the Alien Enemies Act, but said non-citizens must be given reasonable time to challenge their removal before being deported. Now, just weeks later, the court halting the deportations in a 7-2 vote, saying the standard may not have been met. The Alien Enemies Act was also used to deport hundreds of migrants in March, including Kilmar Abrego Garcia, who was deported from Maryland to El Salvador because of an administrative error. The court ordered his return, but the Trump administration said it won't bring him back. Border Czar Tom Homan insists the administration has followed the law.
We have followed the Constitution. We have followed law. The length of due process is not the same under the Alien Enemies Act.
Maryland Senator Chris Van Hollen, who met with Abrego Garcia in El Salvador, claims this case erodes due process for one person, but risks undermining it for all.
My mission and my purpose is to make sure that we uphold the rule of law, because if we take it away from him, we do jeopardize it for everybody else.
Nicole D'Antonio, ABC News, Washington.